Hello, in this video, we will talk about how to get and install the Northwind database. First, go to the GitHub page, and here you see this is the script for the Northwind database. You must download this database, this script. Okay, I will download this script. The first step. Okay, then I have downloaded the script. Next step, go to the SQL Server. I go to the SQL Server. In the SQL Server, you open the file you have download. Okay, now here, I did file the script to create the Northwind database. Okay, here, you see this. Be careful here. You see, run this script in the database you want to objects to be created. So it means first step you must create a new database, and then in this database you run this script to create all the objects. The first step I will create the new database, and I will post the name here. For example, here with the Northwind this. Okay, and here this is the part this database will be stored. Okay, click OK. Next, just execute this script. Yeah, just skip the script. The first step must choose the Northwind database and then skip. Okay, done. So here, and here this is Northwind database. Let's try to refresh to get on the update. Okay, Northwind, and here on database here, for example, I will select the top 100 rounds. You see here the result. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.